How do you know that you're going with the best term life insurance company? Just because they offer you the cheapest rate, does that really make them the best life insurance company? These are important questions to ask yourself when purchasing life insurance. Hey, this is Jeff Rose from LifeInsuranceByJeff.com. Working with over 60 different carriers, we see some of the best practices that some of these life insurance companies do. And let me tell you, there are some companies that are really, really good, and then there are some that we avoid like the plague. Imagine being the beneficiary of a life insurance policy, losing a loved one, and then trying to collect on that policy. But when you call that call center trying to talk to someone from that life insurance company, and you can't get through to anyone. Believe it or not, there are life insurance companies like this that exist. And these are the ones that we don't work with, and most importantly, we want to make sure that you're not working with them too. One way to find out if you're working with the best life insurance company is to check the financial strength. You can look at their Moody's or AM Best ratings, will at least give you some indication if they have the financial backing to pay your claim if something were to happen to you. Another thing you could do is Google the life insurance company's name, or Google their name with reviews after it, and then you can see what other consumers are saying. If you see a lot of negativity about people not being able to fulfill their policies, then guess what? Avoid those life insurance companies. If you don't have the time to do the research and choosing the best term life insurance company, the other thing you could do is work with an independent agent. We work with over 60 different carriers of some of the best life insurance companies that exist to make sure that you're getting the cheapest rate possible, but also with a company that has a strong financial backing and will pay your claim if something happens to you. If you're looking for a free quote, you can head on over to our site and you can get a quote in less than 3 minutes. Or if you have some type of high-risk condition, you can call our toll-free number and talk to one of our life insurance specialists, and they'll assist you in helping you find the best term life insurance company for you. We appreciate your time. This is Jeff Rose from LifeInsuranceByJeff.com. Take care.